Hi, this is Jyoti here. Welcome to Jyopat Tech Guru. In today's session, I'm going to discuss one of the features connected with C Sharp 30. If you have not watched my video of C Sharp 13 features, please do watch before coming to this video. And please support my channel by clicking on like and sharing the video with your friends and click on the bell icon to get the notifications of my new videos. So let us start the discussion. As per the previous video, I have discussed regarding the C Sharp 13 enhanced params collection. So what exactly this param collection is all about? The params keyword now supports any collection type, not just arrays. So earlier, we used to send only the arrays. Now we can always go ahead and retrieve the data or the collection. The type of the collection which we can use is enumerable or list or span. Any of these things are available now through which you can send the list of data from one place to another place. This allows developers to pass a variable number of arguments to methods using types like list of t, span of t, and enumerable of t. The flexibility improves method signatures and usability significantly. So as you can see that this enhanced params collection is going to help us if we are having a number of datas or the collections or the inputs that you want to send it from enumerable or span or list. So the param keyword was previously restricted to arrays only. So now you are having many of the ways through which you can pass the data. Additionally, interfaces like system.collections.generic enumerable of t or read-only collection of t and more can be utilized with params. So this flexibility streamlines parameter passing for various collection scenarios. So let us see how exactly this is going to work out with some practical example. I have opened a console app. As you can see, the folder structure, I'm getting only two things. This is not a console application with a .NET framework. This is console app. I have chosen .NET 9. So currently .NET 9 is the standard support which is running in the market. So I have chosen .NET 9. If you have not downloaded the .NET 9, please go ahead and download it. Then you can choose the .NET version as .NET 9 for this console application. So I'm getting only two things, dependencies as well as program.cs. So to respect the time, I'm already having one of the example program in my notepad and that I'm pasting it instead of typing the entire program. So please include system as well as system.collections.generic. These are the two namespaces which are required. Now we have got two functions here. The first function is the one, again, static void, print numbers, wherein I'm using this params keyword, int array of numbers. So the numbers is the array name. So we would like to just go ahead and print all the numbers. String.join. There are many built-in string related function. Currently I'm using this join, wherein I want to join all the numbers. Right? So we are printing a comma and upon that we are printing this numbers. Again, we have got one more static void function called as print numbers in which the parameter is enumerable of int. Right? Here also it accepts the numbers, the collections, the number of datas that we have to send it if we are calling it from main. Again, we are printing the same thing with the string join. So let us see how to activate these things. As you can see that, first of all, we are calling print numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is purely a list of numbers, nothing else. So can we call it like this? Yes. So where it goes, it comes over here and it is going to print all the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, we have created a list. Variable var is implicitly typed local variable which can hold any kind of data. So currently we'd like to store list of integers that is 6, 7, 8 inside this. So we would like to send this numbers list to the print numbers, right? Again, it will come back to this particular function and it is going to print all the numbers for you with a comma. Next, third one is a read-only span. Read-only span. So as per the span is concerned, span of T is a new type which is introduced in C# 7.2. It represents a contiguous region of arbitrary memory. So how we are having arrays, similar to that, we are having the span of T. Of course, it is a generic type which can handle different kinds of data, which is introduced in C# 7.2. Span of T can be used with arrays, slices of arrays, and other memory-efficient operations. Span of T provides a way to work with slices of arrays or memory in a safe and efficient manner. Span of int provides an efficient way to handle slices of arrays, and it can be passed to methods expecting enumerable of int without any issues. So please read all these things and keep in mind that how the way you have got the list or enumerable of int. Similarly, span of T is also there, which is going to hold contiguous region of arbitrary memory, which can hold or which can be represented using the arrays, right? The same thing we want to just use it here in this particular program wherein we are taking a read-only span. So this provides a type-safe and memory-safe read-only representation of a contiguous region of arbitrary memory. The same definition which I have discussed, they have given it as a definition. So here we would like to go for the stack alloc. This is the one in which we are going to store the integers 9, 10, 11. So what is the stack alloc? A read-only span that corresponds to the current instance. We are going to store the entire set of elements like a collection, which can be initialized directly like this. So again, we would like to call the span and we want to convert into array. Because whatever the way you are going to send it, that is fine. But while you are sending it, you have to make sure that you are sending the collection. So here, I would like to just show you the execution with the breakpoints. Let me execute the program. Okay. So you can see that here, first of all, okay, you can see that it has come to this particular point. I'm using a breakpoint. First of all, it is going to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see that this print numbers is coming to this particular function and it is going to print all the numbers. So during the execution time, I'm getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with a comma. Next, I'm going to store the list. That list I'm sending it. Let us see where exactly the pointer goes. Now it is not coming to this particular function. It is jumping to this print numbers wherein I'm having this enumerable of int because it is a list. So it is going to come here and it is going to print all the numbers, right? Let me just show you the output also. So now I'm getting 6, 7, 8, right? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6, 7, 8. Next, now the pointer comes to the third function, that is print numbers span to array. So where it comes to this particular function because it is going to send you the number of integer values, right? So that's why it is going to take all the numbers and it is going to print it. Whatever the numbers are there, which are going to get stored in the read-only span, are going to get converted to array, and these set of numbers are going to get sent to this particular print numbers, right? So like this, we are getting the output as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So let me show you the execution. In this case, you can see that we are getting all the numbers, right? This is the way how exactly we can use the params. Hope the concept is clear for everybody. Thanks for watching the video. Again, I'll meet you in the next video with the next feature of C# 30. If you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icons to get the notifications of my new videos. Thanks everybody. Take care.